Hello, everyone, and welcome to Advanced AEC Projects, Driving Results with Digital Project Delivery. My name is Juliana, and I work in marketing here at MicroCAD. And today's presenter is Sandra, our applications specialist. At today's webinar, we'll learn how to leverage data and cloud-based solutions to deliver projects faster with higher accuracy and better sustainability. As usual, throughout the webinar, you can ask a question on the left-hand corner, or you can ask Sandra to revisit a step or ask any questions. And in the upper right-hand corner, you will find links to our social media, website, and YouTube channel. We post all of our webinars there at the end, so you can share with colleagues or rewatch it on your own time. And without further ado, I'll pass it on to Sandra.
Hi, Juliana. Thank you for this great introduction. Hi, everybody. My name is Sandra Wogemuth. Today, I'm going to be talking about a concept more than anything that is called digital project delivery. So before I go there, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandra Wogemuth. I am an applications specialist with MicroCAD. I have been with MicroCAD now for 4 years. Before that, I was a BIM-CAD manager with an engineering firm for 7 years. And as I said, today we're going to be talking about this concept, basically called digital project delivery. So, because it is a concept of how to present your projects, let me dwell a little bit deeper into what is digital project delivery. So, as for digital project delivery, what we understand, it is a way of working in which your projects are going to be conceived, planned, designed, built, operated in an interactive digital space that all stakeholders of the process will have access to. This includes every team member. This includes the client, the architect, the engineers, the builders, the traders, and even local residents. The digital project delivery isn't just another tool. It's a set of tools. It's a concept of how to work. It's an improved collaborative way of working for building and for infrastructure projects. From planning to design, to construction, to operate. It connects people, it connects data, it connects workflows across the project lifecycle in a secure common data environment. This centralized data ensures that stakeholders can access the right information in the right format at the right time when they need it by integrating live multidiscipline data such as BIM, building information modeling, or GIS, geographic information systems. Cost, schedule tracking in a centralized source of truth. Teams can design and iterate in parallel and manage projects efficiently while protecting intellectual property, controlling versions, and resolving issues. Disconnected, interoperable environment opens the door to automation, multidiscipline workflows, and global connectivity, leading to better quality, greater productivity, and on-time and budget delivery. Okay, this sounds like a huge amount of words. Let me break it down for you. Okay, so we're talking about the centralized source of truth. We will have at the tip of the iceberg, as usual, we will have the owner, which is the driver of a project. We will go through the architects, we will go through the structural engineers, the MEP engineers, the civil engineers, the subcontractors, and the general contractors. And in the cloud-based Autodesk Construction Cloud, you will have a whole set of tools, and it's not just one tool. I mean, you will have project insight, you will have design collaboration, project management, asset management, model comparison, coordination, a whole bunch of tools that will enable this whole team of people to be in one centralized source of truth and share data. Okay, and we're going to be talking a lot about data. So how is it enabled? The digital project delivery connects people, connects data, connects processes in a shared cloud-based common data environment, allowing teams to aggregate models and centralize data at every project stage. Through the common data environment, stakeholders can come together to plan, design, construct, and operate projects through the integration of live multidiscipline data. This helps remove data silos and communication barriers. It means that all team members can access the right information in the right format, in the right time. Who are we talking about? We're talking about transforming your business with digital project delivery. We're going to be able to deliver the right data to the right people at the right time. We're going to enhance, therefore, productivity. We're going to optimize talent. We're going to hasten project delivery by integrating all schedules in a cloud-based common data environment. We're going to be able to provide accurate insight for project decisions. So we're going to enhance cost, resources, and safely optimization, as well as assets performance by sharing data across the team, enabling efficient and work within budget in optimal decision making at crucial project stages. And then later on, we're going to equip your business for the future, centralizing the data in a common data environment for model-based handovers. These data-rich models become the foundation for a digital twin, providing visibility of how the assets, spaces, and systems operate together and giving key learnings for future projects. Plan, design, construct, operate better together with digital project delivery. Today's projects, they're faced with an increasing disjointed array of tools, files, supplies, leading to silos, miscommunication, delays, and avoidable rework. We all know rework, it's just a waste of money each time you have to do a rework on a project. So too often, what happens in real life is that data is passed piece by piece from one person to the next in many different formats. Information is often lost. Miscommunication happens along the way. So here we enter with the digital project delivery concept, not a tool. Again, it's not a tool, it's a collection of tools. It's a cloud-based collaboration process that connects people, that connects data, and connects workflows in a common data environment across the project lifecycle. And I have to stress this again. We are going across the whole life cycle of the project, from design conception to facilities management by the end of the life cycle, to the end of the life cycle, and it's all data that is being collected, managed, shared, gathered in one common source of truth. Okay, key concept of this digital project delivery: the right data at the right time to the right people. Okay, it's very important that everybody has access, live access to the data. So I'm going to break it down for the entire building team. First, we have the architects. The architects will be able to bring their vision to life, right? They're going to be through digital project delivery, they're going to be enabled to consolidate project data into a single source of truth, thus empowering them to clearly communicate their vision to clients and to the stakeholders, ensuring it comes to life exactly as they imagined it. The MEP engineers and the structural engineers are going to be able to work from a single source of truth. With digital project delivery, engineers can centralize all their documents, submit scopes and manage correspondence and action items all in one place. For general contractors, they're going to be able to access centralized data throughout the project. Working in a common data environment, general contracts gain full project visibility, allowing them to actively manage risk, schedules, quality, and cost. This reduces rework. This reduces RFIs. It drives higher client satisfaction. And in the last stage of this whole process, we have the owners and the operators. And they're going to have a digital offering filled with data that it's going to allow them to better visualize and control their project and their assets throughout the entire life cycle. So I cannot stress this enough. Our kind of base sentence, driving sentence that drives the project, the digital project delivery is right insights for project decisions. What are the products that accompany us for digital project delivery? We have BIM Collaborate Pro, we have Docs. So BIM Collaborate Pro, what is BIM Collaborate Pro? BIM Collaborate Pro is a cloud-based design, co-authoring, collaboration, and coordination software for architecture, engineering, and construction team. Pro enables anytime, anywhere collaboration in Revit, Civil 3D, AutoCAD, and Plan 3D. What this means is that this offering of BIM Collaborate Pro allows people to work as a team in shared Revit models or Civil 3D models or AutoCAD files or Plan 3D models in a common location with real life data and real life deliverables. Docs is a location where you can manage project information in a cloud-based location in a common data environment, and it is accessible to all the stakeholders of the project, and it allows you to save all the files that have to come together with the project. Then you have our huge flagship offering, which is the Architectural Engineering and Construction Collection. It is an incredibly powerful BIM and CAD tools for designers, for engineers, for contractors, and it includes Revit and AutoCAD and Civil 3D. It also includes Forma and also many more programs that are included in this awesome offering, which is the AEC collection. Then we have Build, and Build is a comprehensive field and project management software that delivers a broad, deep, and connected set of tools for builders. You have Takeoff, where you can perform accurate 2D takeoffs and generate estimated quantities from 3D models in a single online solution. And then Tandem, it's a hand over a digital twin that helps building owners achieve greater return of investment from their built assets. So huge amount of projects that allow you to get to this concept of digital project delivery. Project delivery solutions for every building project phase. So we will start with the share and plan. So by collaborating within a common data environment during the plan stage, it enables engineers to easily share documents and work in parallel with architects on live models. It enables architects to rapidly test and iterate concepts and share a data-rich model with the client. All stakers to benefit from the implementation of standardized workflows and data management practices. One of these is the ISO 1965. Then in the design phase, you can gain flexibility in the design process. The common data environment increases efficiency in the design stage by streamlining collaboration between stakeholders while maintaining model quality and protecting intellectual property. Enable multiple disciplines to seamlessly work in parallel on live models. And let me stress the importance of the seamlessly ability to work on live models. And allowing contractors to provide input on quality, on cost, on schedules, and owners to track progress and provide early feedback on how the projects are being developed. It also jumps into the construct phase where you can track projects from a centralized location. During construction, having a single source of truth allows stakeholders to manage RFIs, manage issues, manage submittals while tracking correspondence and action items in a centralized location. It also allows you to trace issues and rework to the root cause and analyze project patterns. And also, it allows them to enhance models with relevant construction data and harness 3D models to track the build progress, cost, and schedule. And last but not least, when you need to maintain and when you come to the maintain and operate phase, it ensures reliable records and operational readiness. What does this mean? In the maintain and operate phase, stakeholders can retain accurate digital records of design, project data, asset information that can be analyzed for patterns and trends, easily convert models into digital handover that contextualize and organize for the client, and it allows you to gain better insight to asset performance with an informative digital twin. So to summarize, a common data environment through connected data, complete life cycle of the project, connected people, Autodesk platform services, connected tools. All the tools work together seamlessly. So what used to happen before we went into this age of digital project delivery, we had these curves where from the plan to the design phase, there would be a data loss. And between the design phase and the construction, again, there would be a plateau where you lose data. And then between the construct phase and the operate phase, again, you have a plateau where there is a loss of data, right? With the digital project delivery from plan to design to construct to operate, there is no loss of data. There is data delivery, and there is a straight upward curve to all the way to the existence of the building through the whole life cycle of the building. And this is what we call data maturity. So with that said, let's start this beautiful journey together. Okay, and with this, I want to open the floor up for questions.
Thank you, Sandra, for that wonderful presentation. So while we get questions, I would like to remind everyone that if you want to learn any of these topics in detail, you can always take a custom training with Sandra or someone else on our team. We will be also having coming up next the seamless markups and Revit on October 24. So yeah, and also I think I don't know if, Sandra, you have the slide for our contact information.
Yes, let me move on
And
to our contact information. Hi, I don't know what happened to Juliana, but here you can see our contact information. You can access and reach out to us at any of these phone numbers. And with this set,
thank you,
let me
Sandra.
check if
Sorry
I
about that.
have. That's
Sorry
fine.
about but yeah, no, we would like to thank you everyone for attending, and thank you so much, Sandra. Hopefully, we'll see you soon at one of our upcoming webinars. And even if you cannot make it, we highly suggest you to register so you can get the on-demand recording. So yeah, thank you everyone, and thank you so much, Sandra.
Thank you guys for attending our webinar today. And thank you, Juliana. See you soon.
Bye bye.